Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to create Java code to reverse the order of a number and string or text. For example, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then after the reverse it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? Similarly for string, if it is hello, then after the reverse it will be OLLEH, right? So let's begin. Open the Eclipse, create a new class, reverse order, okay? Check this box and this is the Java class, okay? So over here, suppose we have strng string, str is equal to hello, okay? Now we have to reverse this, okay? Let's find out the length is equal to str.length length, okay? And let's use for loop for integer I is equal to length length minus 1, okay? I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus, okay? Let's use a string here, string final strng string is equal to this, okay? And strng string here from loop is equal to str dot char at I, okay? And this is showing error, okay? Actually this is now in character, so we have to change this to string, to string, and put this inside here, okay? So the error is gone. This one is equal to this dot concat this, okay? So now let's see the final result. System.out.println, and the output is no, this one, okay? Okay, so let's see, save it and run it. So this is in reverse order, right? Let's change the string, okay, and save it and run it. So it is coming in the reverse order, okay? So this is for string or text, right? So but if you are given a number, right? If you are given a number like as we discussed here, if you are given a number let's check this. Okay, number int number is equal to this, right? Okay, let's convert this to a string. Okay, string num to string is equal to integer dot to string, and this num you have to put it here. Okay, and this is a code to convert an integer to string. Okay, so after that let me comment this out. Okay, and suppose okay, let me do this. String str is equal to this. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Okay, let's see the result. Save it and run it. See, it is in the reverse order. Okay, so let's change the number. Okay, so let's suppose this is the number. Okay, we have to test. Now save it and run it. So this is in the reverse order. After this conversion, the number is in string variable, but if you need the number to be in integer, if you want to convert the number back to integer variable, then you can do that by this code. Num is equal to integer dot parse int and this final string should be here. This should be here. Okay, okay, after you do this, the number value whatever is here, whatever is written by this Java code will be changed to integer. Let's write a print statement for the final result. Okay, now let's see the final result. For that, save it and run it. See, it is showing the number in the reverse order, and now it is integer value. Okay, this one is string value, but this one is integer value. Okay, so that is all in this video. In this video we reverse the order of a string and a number. Thank you for watching this video.